क्या आप अपने ब्रोकर पे विश्वास करते हैं? डू यू ट्रस्ट योर स्टॉक ब्रोकर? किस बेस पे? क्या आप डेटा चेक करते हैं? डू यू सी कितनी कंप्लेंट्स हुई हैं आपके ब्रोकर के खिलाफ? ये डेटा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। क्यों? क्योंकि इससे पता चलेगा कि आपका ब्रोकर इस समय अपने कस्टमर्स को खुश कर पा रहा है या नहीं कर पाएगा तो दैट मीन्स कि दैट ब्रोकर इज़ नॉट गुड इनफ फॉर यू। तो बेसिकली इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में आपको ऐसे 16 स्टॉक ब्रोकर्स के बारे में बताएंगे जो डेटा हमारी पूरी टीम ने कंपाइल किया है, लुकिंग एट NSE BSE डेटा, कि कौन सा स्टॉक ब्रोकर आपके लिए अच्छा हो सकता है, कौन सा नहीं। इन 16 स्टॉक ब्रोकर्स को देखिए और फिगर आउट कीजिए कि आपको इनके साथ डीमैट अकाउंट रखना है, बंद करना है, मॉनिटर करना है। दैट इज़ योर लुकआउट। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं।
So the first broker on today's list is Navya Markets Limited. It also goes by the name Trade Plus Online. Now it is a Chennai-based discount broker with a current client base of more than 10,500. So the total number of lodged complaints is 11, which accounts for about 0.1% of its total client base.
The next on the list is Tradebull Securities with a client base of around 61,000. Yes, it is a big broker, yet it has 106 complaints, which is 0.17% of its current client base.
The next broker on the list we have today is Yes Securities. It is a bank-based full-service broker based from Mumbai. The bank obviously here is Yes Bank with a great client base of more than 12,900. But unfortunately, the number of complaints here is 14, which accounts for about 0.1% of its total client base.
The next broker is Deal Money Securities. It is a Thane-based discount broker. It has around 10,000 clients, but it has 79 registered complaints against it, which contributed to around 0.8% of its client base.
The next we have is Profit Mart Securities. It is Mumbai based and has a client base of around 18,000. The total complaints is 22, which is 0.12% of its client base.
So we are moving to the next broker, which is Noida-based Esler Securities. It is a discount broker, which is also known as Wisdom Capital. The client base of Wisdom Capital is around 7,000, and the registered complaint is 13, which turns into 0.19%.
So next we have Adroit Financial Services, which is based at Ghaziabad. It has total client base around 8,000 and total registered complaints is 16, which stands out for 0.18% against its registered clients.
So the next on the list is the Bhopal-based Asna Securities. Now this broker is very well known for his high margin policies. It currently has a client base of about 16,800 and the current lodged complaints are 17, which accounts for about 0.1% of its client base.
So next we have Vixen Securities. It is also known as Zero Sulk and based at Chandigarh. It is a discount broker. It has total client base more than 2,000 and registered complaints 22, which stands out for 1.02% against its registered clients.
Finvazia is the next broker. It is Mohali based with more than 4,000 clients. It has 8 complaints, which is 0.16% of its client base.
So up next on the list is again a discount broker, that too a very big one. Yes, huge name, I'm talking about Indiabulls Ventures. With a client base of more than 44,000. This is a big company, but wait, look at the complaints it has. 78 registered complaints from its clients, which accounts for 0.17% of its client base. Indiabulls वालों, क्या कर रहे हो? Clients भाग जाएंगे.
So the next broker is also from Chennai. You might not have heard of it as it is relatively a small broker. It is Zebu Share and Wealth Management, a full service stockbroker. Its client base is about 8800 and has 11 complaints, which is 0.12% of its client base.
The fourth broker is the Delhi-based Globe Capital Market. It currently has a client base of more than 27,000 and unfortunately about 29 complaints, which accounts for 0.1% of its total client base.
So the next broker is Hyderabad-based Basan Equities, which is 2700 client base. The registered complaint is around 29, which turns into 1.07%.
The next broker is Alice View Online. It is a discount broker based in Bangalore with around 30,000 clients. It has 62 complaints against it, which has contributed to around 0.2% of its clients' fee.
The next broker is the Bangalore-based Fire Securities. Now this broker started off really well, but eventually it's not very promising as of now. This has kind of led to its decline in the client base, which is about 11,000 as of now, and also the total complaints till now is 17, which accounts for 0.14% of its total client base.
तो दोस्तों ये थे वो स्टॉक ब्रोकर जो इस समय स्टॉक मार्केट में इतना अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं। अब आप अपना डिसीजन ले सकते हैं बेस्ड ऑन द डेटा दैट हैज़ बीन प्रेजेंटेड टू यू। होपफुली आप डिसीजन सही लेंगे। तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कीजिए इस वीडियो को, शेयर कीजिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ, बिकॉज इन्फॉर्मेशन लेवल वीडियो है। जितने ज़्यादा लोगों को पता लगेगा उनके लिए ही सेफ रहेगा। एट द सेम टाइम इफ़ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब टू आवर डिजिटल ब्लॉगर, डू सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। बाय।